Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the More Analytics Afternoon S&P 500 Gold and Bitcoin podcast for August 19th. I'm going to start off with the S&P 500. Overall, we were bullish from 3502. You saw 2,219 points to the upside. Then we held exhaustion above at 5719.75 to 26 even with the 5721 and a quarter high and rolled over 601.25 points. All those are on hold. We then held lower time frame exhaustion at 5125.50 with a 5120 low, and it bounced 473.75 coming into today, and then another piece of that right here, trading up to 5631.75. Trade above 5334.50. Right here, also warning strength, which we've been seeing in here. On 8/13, we also left a moderate bullish reversal below. That was this formation right here. We've been rallying out of that for 5 days. And then the trade above 55.15.25 warns of continued strength and a possible run for the highs plus. That was the break above here. And we still got a ways to go to hit these highs up in here. So we'll have to see in the next couple of days. If you were to fail back down through that line decently, that's going to warrant a decent pressure. I'd be out of all my longs and short at that point. That comes in at 55.27.81 plus 22 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, the gold settling right up near these highs again. I'm not going to go over all the long-term stuff that we're long bullish from, but most recently the trade above 2327.60 warranted decent strength. We've seen 222.3 of that. A couple other bullish formations in here. Also, I wanted to highlight this up here. The solid trade above 2145.750 to 840 projects us upward 151 minimum, 954 plus maximum. So we're 401.5 into that. Also, the right here, we're settling. We're right near this key line right here. So I said that a solid trade above there will project this upward 135 plus. We break above there decently and back. If we break above there solidly and back down through it solidly, look for solid pressure to come in. Solid is going to be $16.70 overnight on Globex into the pre-open, and then $15.20 post-open. One other thing I would note is we're likely in the last stretch of this lower time frame move here, and we're holding this general exhaustion area from 2540.80 to 2550.90. We take that out, and if we take this line out here, which is going to come in at 2558.80 plus 3.5 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, that's going to warrant a decent strength. A likely run up for 2596.50, but we're also going to have to contend with these possible exhaustion levels up here at 2575.20, 2585.10, and some higher ones. If we were to roll over and take this formation out below, which I don't think we're going to see overnight, but if we did, that's going to warrant decent pressure. That's going to come in at 2488.80 plus 3.3 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And finally, the Bitcoin been chopping around a bit here. The trade below 6219 warranted decent pressure. We kind of came off, chopped around, and rolled over here, and now we're settling in here. If we take out this line above, that's going to warrant decent strength. That's going to come in at 61.467, minus 9 per hour, starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a decent break above there will project this upward 4,000 minimum, 13,000 plus maximum. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a good evening, and I'll see you on tomorrow's podcast.